Today we learn the word animal. It is a basic but very important word to describe living creatures around us. An animal is a living thing that is not a plant. Animals can move and feel, like dogs, cats, birds, and fish. A common mistake is to call any living thing an animal. Plants are not animals. So only use animal for creatures that move and eat. We say wild animal, domestic animal, or animal kingdom. We also say animal rights when talking about how we treat animals. The lion is a wild animal. My cat is a domestic animal. Animals live in forests, oceans, and deserts. We should protect animals from harm. A little boy found an injured animal in the park. He helped the animal get better and felt happy. This shows how special animals are to us. Remember animal by thinking of a pet or favorite wild creature. The word starts with an, like and, connecting many kinds of creatures together. Now you know animal. Practice by naming animals around you. See you next time.